If you've been seeing ads for Kymezol Pain Relief Cream promising to finally end your arthritis, nerve pain, and muscle stiffness without prescriptions or side effects, you might be wondering if this miracle cream is too good to be true. Kymezol markets itself as a breakthrough formula powered by ingredients like MSM, arnica, peppermint oil, shea butter, and cocoa butter, claiming these natural elements can repair joints, erase chronic pain, and restore mobility almost instantly. On paper, it sounds impressive, but when you dig deeper, the picture gets blurry. MSM and arnica, for example, are known to provide some temporary relief for inflammation or surface-level soreness. Yet there's no strong evidence they can actually repair damaged joints or cure nerve pain the way Kymezol suggests. Many buyers are drawn in by flashy promises and emotional marketing, ads showing before and after images that often appear AI-generated, glowing reviews that look suspiciously copy-pasted, and claims of life-changing results that creams simply can't deliver. Customers have also reported frustrations, from paying premium prices for results no better than drugstore creams to being caught in subscription traps that are nearly impossible to cancel. Even more concerning is the fact that similar topical creams with nearly identical ingredient lists can be found on wholesale sites like Alibaba for just a few dollars, raising questions about whether Kymezol is more about branding than real innovation. Their use of countdown timers, fake FDA-approved claims, and too-good-to-be-true money-back guarantees adds to the suspicion that urgency and pressure selling are the real tactics at play. So, while Kymezol might give you the same mild cooling relief you'd expect from peppermint oil or a menthol-based cream, the big promises of curing arthritis or reversing nerve pain don't hold up under scrutiny. The bottom line? It's not necessarily a scam, but it's definitely not the miracle solution their ads want you to believe either.